Hi, Dan the Rockman, and today we're going to do a little video. We are going to take this tiger's tail Jasper and we are going to go ahead and turn it into this beautiful pendant right here. So follow along as we have some fun in doing a little bit of jewelry smithing. I've already got this polished up, and we're taking, like I said, tiger's tail raw, putting it into a shape and putting it into silversmithing and make a beautiful pendant for some lady to hang. Alright, we're going to continue on this project. We're working on this tiger's tail, and now what I'm going to do, I have an old piece of sterling silver plate and I'm going to be marking it on here. Completed. So let's go ahead and mark this up. Do it with a permanent marker. Okay, we've got it marked, and that's going to be a spot that I'll go ahead and put a jump ring in so that we'll be able to hold it. Alright, let's go ahead and get sawing now. We have the rough shape cut out here, so now we're going to go ahead and stomp the back. Alright, so we got it stamped with EE for Earth's Echoes and sterling silver. So we're ready to go now. We're going to clean this on up before we go ahead and put our onto it. This is a pretty simple one. Alright, we put that piece into our pickle solution just to kind of clean it up a bit. Rinse it off in our clean water. Get out of there. There you go. Okay. I know it's kind of hard to see. Let's get it there. Try to get a little better light on it. There. Good. Alright, now let's get our soldering board out and we'll look at welding that on. That's the nice thing about these pins. You could easily remove it right here, and now it's out of the way. I'm going to put this back. That up. And see if I can get it over here. Okay, right here on my workbench, I have a long tile. So that way I can go ahead and do my soldering and not start any fires. That's always a good thing. Put a little flux on it. And get some flux. And now I have this already shaped right. So I'm going to set that to the side. Now we're going to use medium solder because we used hard solder on our bale. Okay, so we've got it welded on, and now we've been taking a file in that and trying to get it to form. Well, the next thing we'll need to do is go ahead and drill a hole in the center for our jump ring that we'll put on there. After that, we'll go ahead and get all this polished up, looking really nice before we actually set our stone. Time to go wash it off, and then we'll set our stone. Looking sharp. Okay, time to go ahead and set the stone. And what I have is a tiger's tail. It's in there really nice. See if I can get a better light on it. I'll take a picture of it also. Using a burnisher to go ahead and set it in there. I might have to get my block back out. There you go. Get that light again.